imagine waking up with curls as luscious and beautiful as they were on day one. Hey there lovely people, I am Nidhi and I'm super excited to share with you my nighttime routine for curly hair. This routine will save your curls and keep them looking healthy and beautiful until your next hair wash. As usual, if you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Happy curls are hydrated curls, and the best way to wake up to happy curls is to lock in moisture at night. So my first step in my nighttime routine is using a curl defining gel. The one that works wonders for my curls is the BeBeautiful Curls Defining Gel. When you apply this gel at night, it works its magic by enhancing the curl shape by providing a firm hold, locking in moisture and taming frizz. Now, here's the fun part. You can use this gel on both damp hair and dry hair. What I like to do is spritz my hair with water first to make it a little damp and then apply the gel. Focus on the areas that need some extra love and give them a gentle scrunch. Trust me, your curls will thank you. And let's not forget about the magical ingredients in this gel. We are talking about glycerine, coconut oil and aloe vera. And guess what? No harsh chemical here that can strip off your hair's natural beauty, so you can rock those curls with confidence. So my next step is to tie my curls into a protective hairstyle. This will ensure they maintain their shape and avoid any frizz while you sleep. For my curly curls, I highly recommend trying the pineapple technique. It's as fun as it sounds. Grab a gentle hair tie, preferably a cute scrunchie or satin hair tie, and loosely secure your hair in a ponytail at the very top of your head. Remember, we want it to be loose and comfy, not too tight to avoid any dents in those beautiful curls. Let your curls rest on top of your head, giving them that adorable pineapple shape. But hold on, the protection party doesn't end there. Let's talk about your pillow game. Truth be told, a cotton pillow cover is a big no-no for our curly locks. It loves to absorb moisture, leaving our hair dry and frizzy. So it's time to swap it out for something satin. Whether it's a satin pillowcase or a satin bonnet, satin is your best friend. It prevents tangling, reduces frizz and keeps your hair gliding smoothly instead of getting tangled in cotton fabric. Now, this step is an essential step that will ensure that your curls stay fresh until the next day. So the next time you spot a few curls that need a little extra shaping and TLC, here's how you can quickly refresh them. Grab yourself a spritzing bottle, fill it up with water and add a dollop of your favorite conditioner. I am using the BeBeautiful Curls Detangling Conditioner for this refreshing magic. Mix it up well, shake that bottle and ta-da! You have got a magical concoction ready to revive those curls. Spritz this blend all over your hair, making sure to distribute it evenly. Then get your scrunch on and finger coil those curls back to life. This technique works wonders because the addition of conditioners add much needed moisture, while wetting the hair reactivates the styling product you applied the previous day. It's the perfect combo to breathe new life into your curls and keep them looking their best. So say goodbye to frizzy days and hello to refreshed, fabulous curls. So that was my nighttime routine for my curly hair. Time for me to go. But before that, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!